Hi boys and girls. Today's lesson is all about pictures in a text and how you can use pictures to help you understand what you read. Pictures help give the reader understanding about the topic. Let's look at some examples together. We have diagrams, maps, photographs, timeline, graph, and illustration. Let's talk about each one of these a little bit more. This is a map. This type of image allows for readers to see where something might be located in the world. Here's a photograph. This type of image allows readers to see a real picture of the topic. This is a diagram. This type of image labels items that are in a picture. I can tell by looking at this diagram of the frog where his front legs are, where his eyes, his back, and his hind legs are. A chart or a graph. This type of image shows data on different things that people like. You may have made some charts and graphs in math recently. A timeline. This type of image shows the chronological order of something happening in someone's life. That's basically just something from the beginning all the way through to the end. It tells you specific dates. And an illustration. This type of image shows the reader a cartoon or a drawn image of the topic. Here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to get this page either from the file folder or tub, and you're going to fill it out. This section is where you're going to draw an illustration. It says here's an example of an illustration. In this section, you're going to tell the purpose of the illustration. You're going to write why books use illustrations here. And then last, you're going to write about how and where you found some examples of illustrations. You're going to write that down right in this area. You can use multiple text, boys and girls, especially from the orange tubs, and just list whatever text you use here, the page number, and what the picture is that you've seen. If you need any help, watch this video again. Good luck!